Good day, sir, ma'am. I'm Mark Ronald Vicente, 17 years old. I was born on May 10, 1991. I'm presently residing at Sarat, Ilocos Norte. I'm 69 kilos and 5'6" tall. I graduate at Sagpatan Elementary School and Sarat National High School. I finished my secondary level at National School, and now I'm recently studying at Northwestern University. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science Maritime Transportation. I love listening music. I'm a varsity player in swimming, and also member of APGM. If you want to know more about me, you can call or text on my CP number 0909-728 0909-6098-386. Thank you, sir, ma'am.